slide all the way across the seat to the far windows. May we request also that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking aboard the monorail. Once again, please continue to move as far forward as possible. Thank you.
I want to go back here.
Monorail Blue, clear for dispatch. Roger Control, we're leaving now. Hello everyone. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We're now beginning a one-way journey to hands and arms inside the cabin and remain seated at all times. And no smoking, please. You are now riding aboard a Mark V Monorail, the newest generation of Disneyland monorails. The original monorails, which were introduced here in 1959, were part of the first daily operating monorail system in the Western Hemisphere.
You guys use your horn a lot.
Yeah, we have, and because we're too close to the mountain, we have to honk.
Oh, the cow.
Monorail Purple is approaching Small World Curve.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monorail Purple. Just a reminder, this is a one-way trip and a one-way trip only to the Disneyland Hotel. Once again, once we do get to the hotel, everybody does have two choices of what they could do. They could go downstairs, get their hand stamped, turn around, get back in line, and wait for the next monorail to bring them back into the park. Or you could go downstairs, get your hand stamped, and visit the Disneyland Hotel. Once again, thank you. Have a wonderful day and evening.
How long have you been on monorails?
Well, this is my second time back. I left for a while, and I was on it for 6 months then, and then now I've been back for almost 6 months again.
Okay.
So for total amount of a year.
That's cool.
I missed it so much, I just came back.
We have a lot of monorail pilots that leave and then come back because they don't like where they transferred to.
Park and Resort.
Wow.
It celebrates the fun and diversity of America's golden
Yeah,
state.
we used to have one
From the natural wonders of the
where
California landscape to the
the dead man used to be on the side, so our thumb would have to hit
parts of
it. And they
history.
said that it was too much
Disney's
of a
California
pain in the
adventure
butt.
will offer a whole new world of discovery and entertainment. We hope you'll join us in 2001 to experience the magic of Disney's California
That's
adventure.
cool.
We drive right through the Golden Gate.
Yeah.
And right through the hotel. I'm so excited.
That'd be so cool. Last time I was here, this was not known. There was just dirt and they had
I know.
they had a few roads laid and the basements were dug, the holes for the basement.
In
And
just
that's
a few moments, we'll be
Yeah, this is
making
here.
a brief
It
stop
looks
at
so
the
nice,
Disneyland
yeah.
Resort
That's when I
Hotel,
left, when it
the
was just
home
dirt.
away from home for many of our
Last time I
Disneyland
was here, they were
guests.
starting
In
construction
addition
on
to
this.
the gardens and
They had
outdoor
the
recreation,
California
the
Scream
resort hotels
or,
feature unique shopping,
almost done.
dining with the Disney characters,
They had
and
some other things.
award-winning
The orange
restaurants.
peel was here last time I was here. That big orange thing.
On Monorail 1, you are clear.
This is the stop for the Disneyland Hotel.
Man,
You saw the old one though, huh?
yeah.
The only reason why we have someone back there is going in the other direction, because they have an override switch in the back. It's drivers. Light flashes.
Monorail Blue.
When the train's pulling in, that red light flashes, and then once it stops flashing, it means the driver's in the right position where he's supposed to stop. Very shortly, I want to thank you so much for your patience, everyone. Keep in mind that Disneyland will be closing at midnight this evening. Thank you. Yeah, how many do you have? 2, perfect. I already have 2 waiting for the front, so that'd be perfect. Thank you. Good luck. inside. It's blocked.
I like looking at it.
Yeah, inside's blocked.
Right, how do we get back in? We can get our hands in there.
That's if you leave the station.
Oh, alright. I get you.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
so that's why it's really similar.
Do it again.
Does it do the same thing too?
Yeah.
Is this still normal?
Yeah.
If we're pressing a whole bunch too fast, it's going to tell us to slow down.
Now en route to Tomorrowland on our own highway in the sky, which will give us a bird's eye view of the Disneyland resort.
The last one's really old.
Since 1955, Disneyland has continued to grow and change, adding new shows, attractions, and even new lands. Just to the right of the train will be the biggest change here. It's Disney's California Adventure.
What are all these boats from?
It's a small world.
Okay.
It's closed because every Christmas season they have a holiday theme to it. Have you guys seen it yet?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
So they have to take everything down?
Yeah, no, they just dress everything up. They add to it.
Oh,
and then at the end of the Christmas season, they take everything down.
That's right.
We were wondering why it's green.
Yeah, I know, it's all the water was gone.
You went on it while it was rain?
No.
The train.
Oh.
We took the train around, like, oh, all the water's gone.
Before we enter Disneyland, the engineer would like to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard Monorail Blue. My name is Ryan. Just want to remind you that Disneyland will be open until midnight tonight. If you'd like to take the monorail back to the downtown Disney station at the Disneyland Hotel, we kindly ask that you be in line for the monorail before midnight. You can also take the Lion King tram, which runs a little bit more frequently. It picks up out in front of the main entrance of Disneyland. Thanks a lot, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Disneyland.
We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight. So please keep your hands.
No, we say pretty much what we want.
Oh, really?
It just has to be within certain guidelines. I don't like to use scripts because it doesn't sound natural.
Yeah, definitely.
Monorail Blue entering the park.
What do you do that for?
On certain low clearance areas, we have to do it.
This is Tomorrowland.
Do you know what they're going to put in with the submarine
Inspired
tour?
by science fact and science fantasy.
Right now, I don't know. After our new theme park opens up, then they'll start working on that.
Spring 2001?
Yeah, the new park.
Are they doing something special for people that have season passes to Disneyland? Like we have to go to a certain day or something?
For the new Disney's California Adventure Park, yeah, there is an annual pass holder event. I'm not sure if you receive something in the mail, and I'm not sure if it's already sold. I think it's already sold out. The new theme park, yeah.
I got something to know, but I just.
I didn't get one in the mail. Whoa.
It's also going to the PO box.
Monorail Blue from Tomorrowland Coast is holding in zone 16.
Except for our blue copies, maybe we'll make it so it's 16.
Do you have to go to special school to learn how to drive this?
No, we train everyone here.
Huh?
Yeah, we train everyone here.
Just ahead into the right of the train are the pastel spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world.
Here's our maximum and our actual
It's one
bids.
of the wackiest neighborhoods around. Mickey's Toontown. The happiest kingdom of them all.
That was nice. I didn't run into the back.
And stories.
10-4 blue copy is good for Tomorrowland.
I'd like to remind you to please keep your hands and arms safely inside the
Hey, they got little mist things.
Yeah, it keeps the cast members cool.
Yeah. How was that, Universal Studios? And all their outdoor wine.
Magic Mountain too.
Yeah, I think they had it at when you're standing in line for the tram ride. Yeah, they have that at
Monorail 1 on final approach.
Your Mr.
Please
Sherman
remain
horses.
seated until the monorail comes
We
in.
had Mr. Stroy horses.
What's that?
We have hot.
On behalf of all of our crew, thank you for traveling with us.
How about misses?
You have a happy
You got the misters. How about the misses?
Disneyland.
We got plenty of those too.
Reach the bottom of the moving ramp. Thank you.
Hey, it's not moving. I don't know. I think someone shut it off.